invito a que compren.
My name is Melody and I'm selling lemonade popsicle.
My name is Armando. I sell Lego keychains and 3D printed stuff.
My name is Bebel Doruil and I'm selling canvas art.
El nombre del negocio se llama Sweet Cookies. Acá vendemos galletas, pastel de maíz y iced tea.
We're selling traditional Dominican cakes. They're more like a spongy cake than rather dry. They're more like a tres leches, and they're filled with dulce de leche.
So I'm here today to show support to the youth with their successful businesses. I'm actually giving away copies of my book, Realistic CEO, and also copies of my magazine as well. And I will be speaking later to help encourage them as well.
And I'm here today to support my son, just like a lot of these parents here, to support their kids. And I think that's the biggest thing when it comes to pumping life into your kids' dreams, just showing up for them and believing them. So to go around to all the tables and see the parents that are cheering the kids on, that's more than anything else. So most of these kids won't end up selling the things that they're selling now as adults, but you know what they know? Whatever they choose to sell, whatever they choose to do, their parents believe in them and they got their parents' support, and that's the most important thing when it comes from the parents' perspective.
It was more for the experience for learning how to sell, having my own business with my little sister, Nazare. And yeah, it's more for trying to be out here in the community, show what we can do. It feels good. It feels like I can actually do something independently. I mean, it gives me more of a responsibility, a sense of ownership of my own little business. So yeah, it feels pretty good.
I think it's very important into the community because they don't get to do this with children get to express themselves by showing what they can do instead of just being social media. So they get to express themselves more than they just being inside the house. This is a little bit like an art that shows uniqueness and different drawings. So not all the drawings are the same. And Bio Ever is a unique place where everybody gets to express themselves through art.
I've been to Legoland a couple of times and I've seen the keychains there and I think they're cool and I wanted to make something similar. So I use Lego pieces to make the Lego ones. The 3D printed ones, I 3D print them.
Events like this are important because, one, it shows kids that the adults in the community care about them and care about what they have going on. So oftentimes we talk about the kids, and especially in our communities, not doing positive things. So when you see young people doing positive things, we have to show up for them and let them know, hey, good for you. I can't wait to watch you go and see what you do in the future.